As criminals become more sophisticated, our commitment to our customers to provide tools to preempt and disrupt organized crime represents a major part of our mission. Whether they're a part of a business or working for a governmental organization, today's intelligence analysts and investigators are facing extraordinary pressure to respond quickly to a wide range of threats. In the practical application of performing advanced analytics across large data sets, your investigators and analysts have access to more data than they can process in a timely fashion. I'd like to introduce you to ARKHOS TLoxp i2 connector, a solution developed to enhance analysis and investigative processes by applying i2 intelligence capabilities with TransUnion TLoxp big data in real time. ARKHOS TLoxp i2 connector was designed to apply intelligence on top of TransUnion big data, giving intelligence analysts and investigators the power to intuitively make sense of massive amounts of data when performing comprehensive searches. This enhanced feature provides access to comprehensive 360-degree entity intelligence with link expansion capabilities through multiple degrees of separation, all in real time. ARKHOS TLoxp i2 connector interface was designed to provide customers with similar user access experience currently available on TLoxp portal, but with seamless connectivity. Users can choose from a variety of options to start a search and score results in seconds. The Visualize feature allows selected entities to be transferred automatically to the analysis dashboard, where a variety of sophisticated analytical tools can be used to determine who is who knows who, and who does what.
The ARKHOS TLO i2 connector is a great collaboration between Globlue and TransUnion. Our objective was focused on what does an analyst really need in leveraging our skip tracing data within this powerful i2 platform.
The Click and Expand TLoxp comprehensive search can be used across multiple entities simultaneously. When such a request is made, i2's sophisticated intelligence algorithms work behind the scenes to uncover non-obvious links and suspicious patterns among multiple entities across several degrees of separation. Identifying patterns among complex networks is simple and intuitive. Color-coded links provide easy visualization of relationships by entity type in the chart. Stored intelligence from previous working cases can automatically be merged when association patterns are found, giving the analyst the ability to uncover hidden connections among disparate data sets.
IBM i2 is thrilled to be part of this innovative collaboration. The ability for customers to easily access TransUnion's incredibly rich data through the ARKHOS connector will vastly propel customers' abilities to analyze and investigate potential threats in real time.
ARKHOS TLoxp i2 connector integrates with TLoxp Big Data, which receives 3 billion updates per month from data providers. As a result, users have access to 360 degrees of actionable intelligence about any entity of interest, which includes vital records, assets, phone numbers, email addresses, physical addresses, criminal records, permits, and global watch lists, among others. To leverage the power of this innovative solution, contact us and start a trial of ARKHOS TLoxp i2 connector today.